For today in math class, you will need to get your orange folder and you will need to open up to get your fives frame. Make sure it has the one with 5 squares, not the side with 10. We want to use the side with 5. Then I would also like for you to get your math bag and take out 5 of our 2 colored counters. You will need 5 of those. Don't worry about the Unifix cubes. We don't need those yet, or at least for today. Okay? Once you have those ready, you can go ahead and press play again, whatever you would like to do. Okay, so yesterday for math class, we were practicing ways to make 5 using both hands. We had one hand that was red and one hand that was blue. So today we're going to do the same thing. So I want you to think of one hand that is red and one hand that is blue. I'm going to show you a card really, really fast. And then I want you to try and show me how many you have on your fingers. But today I also want you to practice making it on your own fives frame with your 2 colored counters. Okay? So you can, on my cards, they're red and blue. But on your colored counters, it's red and yellow. So we'll use red for any red dots you see on my card, and we'll use yellow for any blue dots that you see on my card. Okay? We'll do this a couple times. We'll do some of them with our hands, and then some of them with our 2 colored counters. Okay? So the first one that we are going to do is I just want to see your hands. So make sure there's nothing in your hands. Put them up. Okay. Are you ready? One hand is red. One hand is blue. Tell me how many you see. Ready? 1, 2, 3. How many red did you see and how many blue did you see? Show me with your fingers, not with your counters yet. There were 2 red and 3 blue, and together that made 5. We know that it makes 5 because it fills our whole 10 frame. Awesome. So for this time, I want you to use your 2 colored counters, not use your hands, okay? And I want you to tell me how many red and blue dots you see. Ready? 1, 2, 3. How many did you see? Oh, I dropped my counter. Make sure you're using your counters on your 5 frame. There are 5 red dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what your 5s frame should look like. Awesome. Let's do that again. This time I want you to only use your hands. Do not use your counters. Are you ready? One hand's red, one hand's blue. 1, 2, 3. How many were red and how many were blue? Show me with your hands, not with your counters. There should be 3 that are red and 2 that are blue. And together we know that it makes 5 because it fills our 5s frame. Awesome, awesome. This time I would like for you to use your 2 color counters. Okay, are you ready? No hands, just 2 color counters. 1, 2, 3. How many red and how many blue? Or you'll do how many red and how many yellow. Okay, so you should have 1 that is red and 4 that are blue, or you will have 4 that are yellow on your card. And all together, it makes 5. All right, we have 2 more. 2 more. Okay, so I want you to use your hands for this one. Don't use your counters. Ready? How many red? How many blue? 1, 2, 3. How many red? How many blue? We had 0 red and 5 blue. This is what your hand should look like. 0 red and 5 that were blue. Awesome. Last time, I want you to use your counters. Are you ready? How many are red And how many are blue on my card but yellow on yours? 1, 2, 3. How many red? How many blue? Or you will have one that is yellow. You should have 1, 2, 3, 4 red. And then you should have 1 blue or 1 yellow. Awesome job. I hope you have a great weekend.